welcome back. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So today we have a box that I have opened before. I am really happy to open this again. It is always such a fun box. As you can see from the description below, today we are unboxing the June 2019 Sprinkles and Wishes. This is such a fun box because it's just fun, y'all. It is just so much fun. It does always contain 2 Wish bracelets and then other items. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It's just kind of a box of happy delivered to your door. And I just think it is, like I said, it's cute, it's fun. I believe it's $11.95. I will put the pricing and everything down below, like I said, as well as a link if you would like to sign up. This definitely is something that, even as a 35-year-old woman, I really enjoy with the Wish bracelets and the treats and just different things that are in there. But this would also be a really awesome subscription for, a younger girl. I could just see, because like one of the themes I did was Wizard of Oz. There have been different themes, and I really think that this subscription would be a lot of fun for younger girls, and depending on the theme itself, maybe even, boys. But even as a 35-year-old, I love this box. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Actually, before we do, I want to remind you guys, we do have the Up Box giveaway going on. That link will be down below. It does end on the 16th, this Sunday, at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you do want to make sure you go ahead and get entered so that you have the chance to win a deluxe version of the June 2019 Up Box, as well as a gift card. So check that out. And as always, please, if you have not already, consider hitting that subscribe button. We always have a great time here, so we would love to have you join us. And don't forget, leave a comment telling me your thoughts on this box and how your day is going, and leave a thumbs up if you don't mind. That does help me out. So let's get into this. Oh, I'm sorry. I was getting my box cutter and I knocked everything. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, so I see some squigglies. We're gonna move those. When there is always a little card. I see like a rainbow unicorn. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing maybe that unicorn is the theme. Look, you guys, how cute. Okay, so let's read the card. It says, "Hello and happy almost summer. Who doesn't love unicorns? When I think of unicorns, I get happy. This month's theme is unicorns. Inside the box of happy, you will find 2 unicorn wish bracelets, envelopes for mailing, stickers, and other fun surprises. Enjoy your box of happy." So that, I guess, is a great way to describe the Sprinkles and Wishes box. It is a box of happy. So it's just fun and I enjoy it. So let's see what we got as far as unicorns. So this first thing I see here on top is like a little pencil pouch, I'm guessing. So it says "Dream like a unicorn," and then it has that, and it's a nice pink canvasy material, and it does have the zipper. And inside, I like that it's actually lined with like this nylon, or I'm not sure what the material is. That was totally a guess. But because if you do put like pins or something in here and say the cap comes off, you don't have to worry about, it maybe getting through to the canvas, because that's going to protect it, which I do like. But I think this is so adorable. Dream like a unicorn. All right, and then the next thing I see, excuse me, are some stickers. It looks like we have mainly unicorns. I see a cupcake, rainbow. I do see what looks like one panda. Your sparkle has not gone unnoticed. We are all only a moment. So these are super cute. Some fun unicorn stickers. And This is, okay, so this is a notepad, and this is so cute. It says, my spirit animal is a unicorn. And it has this almost like ombre pink to purple, or purple to pink going on. That is so adorable. And then it looks like we have a pen to write on our little notepad with. This is the Papermate Flare, and as you can see, it's a really pretty blue. And yeah, it's more of the marker style pen, so it's gonna write in blue, so that is fun. And then, oh, this is pretty. Oh, y'all, it's like a little unicorn pen. This is so cute. Like one of the little enamel pins. Isn't that cute? That is so adorable. Oh, that's precious. I already know that I am probably going to pass most of this along to my niece. She's 8 years old. She loves unicorns, so it'll probably be going her way. Oh, and then we got a unicorn sucker. Oh. Looks like one of the ones that's kind of like a creamy sucker. But how cute is that? A unicorn sucker. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I have not seen this in years. Y'all, it is a pack of fruit stripe gum. Do y'all remember this? I remember this growing up, and I have not seen this in forever. 5 juicy flavors. So there is that. See, so it really is a box of happy. It's just a box of fun and happy and awesomeness. So now we have our 2 Wish bracelets. And she does always send 2 envelopes so that if you want to mail one of the Wish bracelets to someone or to 2 people, you know, you can keep one, you can mail one, but she does include the envelopes, which I really appreciate. So let's take a look at our Wish bracelets. All right, so this one says, first I want to read the bottom. It says, the idea of a Wish bracelet is to make a wish as you tie it on your wrist. When the bracelet falls from wear, your wish will come true. So that is awesome. Always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn. Then be a unicorn. And it has like a white string, and there is a little unicorn here. Super cute. And then we do have another one. And it says, roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. And it is like a purple thread, and again, another little enamel unicorn. This one's got like a blue mane and tail. So cute. So this was so awesome. So we have our 2 beautiful little unicorn Wish bracelets. Again, you can keep one. You can pass them both along to someone you think you know that may enjoy them. I love, again, that she includes the envelopes. I think that that is a nice touch. So if you want to send it, you can. But those are both super cute. I think I like the roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn the best. The super cute, like, I'm thinking this is going to be one of those like creamy type suckers. Unicorn sucker. The fruit stripe gum, you guys. I still can't get over that. That is crazy. That brings back memories. This beautiful enamel little unicorn pin. The unicorn notepad. My spirit animal is a unicorn. Super cute. And it is nice. Does it say... Doesn't say how many sheets, but I would guess probably 75, 50, 75. It's got a good amount of sheets on there. So that is super adorable. With the pretty blue marker type pin. this beautiful sheet of, stay up there, unicorn stickers. And then, of course, the beautiful Dream Like a Unicorn little pencil pouch. So I think this was super cute. This probably has been my favorite box I have done for Sprinkles and Wishes. I did do an Easter box. I know I've done like a Wizard of Oz theme that was really cute. But this by far is definitely my favorite, and I cannot wait to share some of these products with my niece. I know she is absolutely going to love them. So thank you again to Sprinkles and Wishes for sending this to me to review. I truly did enjoy it. Like I said, this is definitely, in my opinion, the best box I have done yet as far as a review. So I will definitely put all of the information down below. If you would like to check them out, head over. You can certainly do so. Again, give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Leave a comment letting me know your thoughts. And again, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you with the next one. Bye.